Hello, in this video I want to show you how to set up custom LED lamp notifications on your HUAWEI Nova 10 SE. And to do this, you'll need to open your app gallery. Right here, try to find an app called Notify Buddy. Select this app and click on Get. It should transfer you to the AppCure website, and now click on Download App. And it might also ask you if you confirm this download. After download is finished, you should be able to launch it. Here, grant 2 permissions to the app. You can disable battery optimization, but it's optional. Go to the next step, and from now on we can start using this app. So there's a user tab. Here select any apps to allow for custom LED lamp notifications. There's also system. Here's all system bound apps. There's active, in which you can find all apps that you've just activated. In the settings you can change anything about your LED lamp, like a size, shape, placement on the screen, or color. Click on the test to see the LED lamp, and it should be right here. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.